We hear it everywhere. Banks no longer lend without a down payment. But is that really true in 2025? Can you still buy a property with 100% financing? I'm here to show you the real conditions, the mistakes to avoid, and the solutions that still exist today. The principle of buying without a down payment. Buying without a down payment means financing the property price plus notary fees plus administrative fees, using zero money out of pocket. This is what's known as 110% financing. Once relatively common, this type of loan is now rarer due to inflation, rising interest rates, and HCSF regulations, which govern credit in France. Why do banks say no in 2021? Since 2021, loan conditions have become stricter. Debt-to-income ratio is capped at 35%, including insurance. Loan durations are often limited to 2 years. Banks now require a minimum down payment to cover notary fees. The reasoning? If you can't demonstrate any savings capacity, you're considered a high-risk borrower. And with the increase in rates from 202 to 4, banks have become even more selective. Exceptions. When it's still possible. Here's some good news. There are still scenarios where you can secure a loan without a down payment. Banks might say yes if you're a young professional with stable income. You're in a permanent contract, CDI, or a public sector job. You have no existing debt. You're investing in a property with positive or at least neutral cash flow. You demonstrate good financial management in your banking history. Additional tips. Keep some savings in a separate account, even if unused, to reassure the bank. Work with a specialized mortgage broker to negotiate better terms. Choose cities or areas where prices are still affordable. Buying without a down payment. Pros and cons. Advantages: you preserve your cash reserves. You leverage 100% financing, maximizing your capital. You enter the real estate market earlier. Risks: higher monthly payments, paying interest on a larger amount, difficulty refinancing, or stricter terms if your income decreases. It's a powerful strategy, but one that requires intelligence and caution. Conclusion: so is it still possible to buy without a down payment in 2025? Yes, but not for everyone and not without a solid strategy. If you'd like me to make a video on how to build a strong application for a no down payment loan, let me know in the show comments. Like, subscribe to NextVault, and see you soon for the next episode.